Ka Little Star Higher Secondary School, North Liberty Higher Secondary School, but ka OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School, kala kore kanam lado, hak state level inter school, Subroto Mukherjee Football Cup, arhajar arpun rio. Kini ki kanhon kin mi khmat ya Jylla sak International Subroto Mukherjee Football Cup. Arhajar arpun rio, kamanlong shen, hanong ba Delhi bat Bangalore. Ha kejingga kun jongka final jongka under 17 girls kabalalong ha SSA Stadium Polo ka Little Star High Secondary School na Eastern West Hills kalapan limno ya ka North Liberty High Secondary School na West Giant Hills District ha ka tiebreaker da Saula Iway. Ha ka under 15 boys North Liberty High Secondary School na West Giant Hills kalapan limno ya ka Umpo Liu Jingtip Higher Secondary School na East Khas Hills da la Iway. Kadbaha ka under 17 boys ka OM Roy Memorial High Secondary School na East Khas Hills District kalapan limno ay Kawapung High Secondary School na East Giant Hills District lai la non. Ya ki kusnam siya gini kikinhon la samno President jaka Mekilia Football Association ba Hamlet Sandoling harangkat kajingdon lang jong Vice President ba Cliff Nongrum ki officer katanat ilekay bat kiway.
Yes, we have some problem, no doubt, but the program should go on. Umpo Liu Jingtip High Secondary School, East Khas Hills, runner-up in the West Giant Hills District. Congratulations. That's